The bank overdraft limit is 2,500 and bank overdraft is 2240. Overdraft limit is 2,500 and bank overdraft is 2240. That means I have already withdrawn how much? 2240. My overdraft limit is only 260 now. How much is the overdraft limit? The overdraft limit is only 260 now. Okay. So now they are telling my trade payables turnover for the year 31st January 2019 is 35 days. My trade payable turnover for 2019 was 35 days. That means I pay my trade payables after how many days? I pay my trade payables after 35 days. I pay them after 35 days, and in this year, I am paying them after 37 days. Before, I used to pay after 35 days in 2019. In 2020, I am paying my trade payables after 37 days. That means I am paying them 2 days later than what I actually used to pay. I have already overdrawn 2240 and my limit is only 260. They want me to advise Adit whether he should delay paying the trade payables. Is it okay if I delay paying trade payables? Why? There will be damage in the relationship with the suppliers. He may not be willing to supply me later on. Okay. So they are asking whether or not I should delay paying my trade payables so that I can reduce the bank overdraft. I want to reduce this overdraft because I am reaching my limit of 2,500. Justify your answer by considering the effect on both bank balance and trade payables. Justify my answer by considering the effect on both bank balance and trade payables. Now see, if I increase my overdraft limit, if I reach 2,500 and I exhaust my overdraft limit, then I may damage the relationship with my bank. I have a bank overdraft and I also have a bank loan. Okay, I already have a bank loan, I already have an overdraft. If I overdraw more, then I can spoil relationship with the bank and the bank may charge me extra interest if I exceed my overdraft. Yes. If for trade payables, I increase my number of days in which I am going to pay them, if I increase the number of days in which I'm going to pay them, then my relationship with the suppliers will be damaged. If I'm taking longer than usual, then they may refuse my future supplies. They can also charge me interest on the overdue account. They may not supply in future. So advise them whether they should delay the trade payables or not. They should not delay trade payables because with them we are going to do business in future. With them we are going to do business in future. So delaying the trade payables is not advisable because we are going to do business in future. Okay, I can take more loan and pay interest with the bank because if I have one bank, I can do with other banks. Okay, so he should not delay trade payables to reduce the overdraft limit. This would be my suggestion. Now the next part. 3 actions which you could take to reduce bank overdraft. What can we do to reduce our bank overdraft? Tell me, what can we do to reduce the bank overdraft? You can increase your bank loan. You can increase bank loan. What else you can do to increase to reduce your bank overdraft? You can sell on cash basis. You can stop withdrawing money. You can introduce more money into the business. So in this way, you will reduce your bank overdraft. Okay. State two reasons why you need to produce an annual income statement. Why do we make income statement? So that we can calculate the profit for the year, so that we can see the progress of the business. Information. Annual income statement helps us to calculate ratios. It is used for comparison purpose. So this is the reason why you should produce annual income statement. Next, why you should apply money measurement principle. What is money measurement principle? Money measurement principle tells us that you should do accounting for those things which you could value in terms of money. Value in terms of money. So, money measurement principle is widely understood unit of measurement. It makes comparison easy on year-to-year basis. That is why you should apply money measurement principle. So this is the theory question that is related to ratios and you should know.